That is definitely my happy dance. Watch till the end to know more about this beautiful unexplored waterfalls near Mysore. So, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are heading to not one but two waterfalls near Mysore. It is Balmuri and Edmuri. Bala in Kannada means right and Muri means cut. The river Kaveri cuts right at this place to go towards Rangantittu, hence the name Balmuri. Likewise, Eda means left, hence Edmuri. We left early in the morning, so you guys can see all the fog around here. From Bangalore-Mysore highway, take a turn at the Young Island Circle and enter KRS Road. Keep going straight on KRS Road for about 8 kilometers. Take a right turn at this arch, and in another 2 kilometers, we'll be reaching the falls. There's no specific opening time per se. It is very near and around a village. So there's a small entry fee that is collected near the temple as you're approaching the falls. Post that, we can park our car and explore this place at our own pace. These are man-made falls. This is due to the check dam built on the river Kaveri. Waterfall is because of the water overflowing from the check dam, and it forms a beautiful cascading waterfall. We are here right after the monsoon, so there is heavy water flow in Balamuri. Otherwise, we are allowed to actually go and take a dip and enjoy this waterfall. Right time to visit is March to August if you want to enter and enjoy the water. But in monsoon time, if you come, you'll get to see this beautiful heavy water flow. Since we are not allowed to enter, let's go around and see to get a closer look. Now we are heading to Edmuri Falls. It's just 2 kilometers from Balmuri. From the parking lot, you just have to keep going straight. It's a small muddy road path, but it's not too far, so it should be fine. And let's go check Edmuri out. Here we are at Edmuri Falls. The water is shallow here, so we are definitely going to go closer and enjoy it. And let's go and have some fun, guys. I must definitely thank my husband. He actually gave me his slippers. The stones were a little pricking for a fresh wound I had on my toes. So I also got to go much closer and enjoy the falls. There are hardly any people around here, so there were only few localites who were looking for small crabs. That's their daily job. And it's so calming and quiet. Sound of the gushing water is extremely soothing. So we are enjoying a lot. guys enjoyed this video, do visit this place. We noticed few pieces of garbage thrown around this place. It's very saddening, guys. So let's be responsible and not litter and pollute any public places. With that note, do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. See you all soon on next video. Bye.